Hi guys, it's me again, Classic Car Guy here. Sorry I haven't been around for a while. Um, see my new shirt, guys. A new Ford Falcon shirt. I love that car and hope to have one someday. Um, and anyone who wants to be updated on my videos, when my videos will be coming up. Don't forget to put the bell on the side there and and subscribe for more info on passion for classic cars. And hey, today's video is more of a talk video. I wanted to say that I think that people should, resurrect old cars and, not leave them in the junkyards, but kind of get them out of the junkyards and invest in those cars because, you know, that, that, um, that pastime should never have to, disappear because it's always something that can always be a part of history and I do agree with uh, having that still available, all the different old cars and things. So if you do agree with me, leave your comments below. If you don't agree with me, that's fine too. But anyway, to my classic car fans, I will be back on here now, make more videos than before. I'm sorry for the lack of videos for a while. Things were happening and changing. But I'm back. I'm here, ready to, do videos again. So, um, for those of you that would like to have conversation on Ford, Chevy, uh, whatever vehicle brand you're passionate about, let me know and you know, I was thinking, that hey, maybe we could, restart some, like, you know, I was thinking, about making some specific car t-shirts, having those made and stuff, and just leave your comments about that below so, I have an idea of, what kind of what cars you're interested in, so maybe I can gear the shirts more toward, your interest of car. So anyway, glad to be back. Hope you're ready for more excitement, more enjoyment, more talks on classic cars. So that's it for this video. Hope to see you and hear from you in the next video. Okay, see ya.